Today I'm going to fix this. You can see there's quite a bit of play in that. Now the trick is it's popping it up without cracking the tile. There's definitely a high spot in there that has somehow developed over the years. Don't get stuck on anything. So the tile that's in there, there's a little space, and the old mortar is blocking my tool here. I might be able to chip some of that out. This side I could be a little bit more aggressive with. But the tile, I got an extra one, but getting that nice bull nose on it is going to be difficult. So I really don't want to break that tile.
What is this?
You want to use the mortar. You don't want to use grout. Grout is not a bond.
Why is this what it looks like under the floor?
It is under the floor. That's why.
I didn't know that how it looks like that under the floor.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but now we know.
Yeah. Well, you could help me out by getting a little dustpan, and we can pick up all this stuff. You want a vacuum? Oh, that's a good job. Here, you want a vacuum? No? Okay. Oh, one day I will have a proper shovel. Until then, I'm going to have to work around everything. This is the more delicate part because I do have some extra tile, but recreating that bull nose there would be quite difficult with the tools that I have. Basically, you have to grind it down, then you have to polish it to some extent, and that's the type of stuff I don't have. So I'm gonna start off with this. I'm gonna be real gentle with it, try to get off some of the big stuff, and then maybe I'll get with a grinder or whatnot to try to see how to get some of these big chunks out. Alright, right tool for the right job, and 30 minutes later as well as 25 bucks. Let's see how good this grout and mortar removal thing works. This is working all right, but it was a little bit underpowered, and if you're trying to get grout out or something like that, it's probably better suited. I just want something with a little bit more power. I've got a grinder here. Neighbor's grinding too. All right, make sure you wear some protection because this will have a lot of dust. Woo. Had to put on some hearing protection too. Wow, it's a lot dusty in here. If you're looking for perfection, you've come to the wrong spot. But this is plenty good enough. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna dry fit this guy and see how it fits in. See about how much mortar. I did take off quite a bit, but put it in place and just to kind of see how much I need to mix up and go from there. Now it's just a matter of getting this thing level with the rest of the floor. I've just mixed up some mortar here, and it's about the consistency of maybe some waffle mix, pancakes mix. It's thick, but it's pretty thick. Anyways, hopefully it's enough. That's all I got to do this little spot. I think it is. Won't be tight. What I also got here is just a 1/4 inch. And this one's smaller because it's made for getting into the sides, or what have you. You enjoying that? Good job, good job. Let's see how well it works. And again, in an ideal world, what I'd be doing is I'd be back buttering this piece. If you're unfamiliar with back buttering, that is just putting on mortar on the back side of the tile. You make sure that there is a connection. You know, I can tell just by the look and feel of this thing that this ground is not level. There's a divot right here. And I might have gotten just a little bit overzealous with grinding all that off. Probably don't have to go that far. Now that's nice and level as is. I'd like to give a little bit more pressure to this. I'll have a little bit of a grout line there later on. I'll see if I can't find something that matches. It looks to be a little bit brown. I'm not so concerned about this front edge, even though I have some mortars popping out. It's fine. It's largely unseen. Pretty sure this floor was done when we bought the house about 12 years ago. So it's lasted this far. Did an alright job, I guess. But these are the type of things that both literally and figuratively pop up. So not too bad of a job for a home gamer. But it does require a few skills. You need a few tools, trowel, a mixer, some mortar. Hopefully you didn't break your piece. So the piece that you got will work. And then again, you don't have to go through all the lengths that I went through with the grinding or whatnot. I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours and then grout it up if I have any grout. I'll go and look. Again, it's not too bad, but that should be it. Really, it's a simple repair. Hope this helps, and until next time, stay relaxed, keep on living. I am gonna block off this area so nobody comes and steps in on this piece. Could probably just put the bucket here, clean it out first. Anyways.